All right, in the next few minutes, we're going to give you a sneak peek of our new AI security training. But I want you to forget everything you think you know about those old, boring security modules. This is something different. It's a vital briefing for a totally new world, a world where our best defense isn't a firewall, it's your own critical thinking. So let's jump right in. We're kicking things off with this quote from Bill Gates because it just perfectly captures the new stakes. The very same AI that's helping us create and innovate like never before, well, it's also opening the door to threats we've literally never seen. This training is all about giving you the tools to navigate this new world safely. Now, just to make sure we're all starting on the same page, we're going to begin with a really simple, clear definition of AI. We'll break down how these systems actually learn from data to create responses that can seem, well, almost spookily human. This is the foundation for everything else we're going to cover. A huge part of this training is really getting your head around AI's dual nature. On one side, you've got this incredible, amazing potential for productivity. But on the other, there are real risks. Understanding both sides of this powerful coin, that's the very first step to using AI the right way. And here it is, the big takeaway. Cybersecurity isn't just an IT problem anymore, not even close. The whole point of this training is that your awareness and your actions are now the most critical part of our defense. You are on the front lines, and we're going to make sure you're ready for it. Okay, so let's shift gears and talk about the problem. We're going to dive into how AI has completely changed the game in cybersecurity. Seriously, the old rules just don't apply, and this next section explains exactly why we need a whole new playbook. And wow, this slide right here, it just drives the point home. We all learn to look for bad grammar or generic Dear Customer emails, right? Well, that's completely obsolete now. The new attacks are personalized, they're flawless, and they're designed to sneak past our defenses by seeming totally legit. To really get a handle on the sheer scale of this, we have to talk numbers. First, the big picture. By 2025, cybercrime is expected to cost the world a staggering 10 times trillion dollars. And a massive driver of that growth? The weaponization of AI. Now let's talk about speed, because this isn't some problem for the future. In just the last 2 years, we've seen a 300% explosion in these super sophisticated AI-powered attacks. The threat is evolving faster than ever, which means our skills have to evolve right along with it. And finally, let's bring it down to the cost of just one mistake. The average price tag for a single data breach last year was nearly $4.5 million. So you take those three numbers together, the scale, the speed, and the stakes, and you get a very clear picture of the world we're in now. So, where is the risk the biggest? It's in these really personal, really deceptive threats, AI-powered social engineering. This is where the tech is used to manipulate our most human instinct, trust. You're going to learn why you just can't always believe what you see or hear anymore. We're going to show you exactly what this looks like. Imagine getting an email from your CEO, in their exact writing style, asking for an urgent favor, or a note from a coworker that references a project you just talked about. The new red flag isn't bad quality. It's that feeling of unusual pressure. And this isn't just theory. We're going to walk you through some wild, real-world cases, like the time criminals used AI to perfectly clone a CEO's voice. They made one phone call, created this false sense of urgency, and tricked an employee into sending away almost $250,000. It makes the threat very, very real. And yeah, of course, we're going to talk about deep fakes. You'll get a clear, no-nonsense definition and see how this stuff is used for everything from manipulating markets to corporate espionage. Just understanding the tech is the first step to disarming it. So, after hearing all that, you're probably asking the exact question on this slide. How on earth can anyone possibly keep up with this? Well, that's the whole point of this training, to give you the answer and the tools to do just that. Which brings us right to the heart of this whole thing, your practical defense guide. This is where we stop talking about the problem and start taking real, concrete action. This is where you'll learn the skills you need to protect yourself and to protect all of us. We're going to give you a super simple but really powerful 4-part framework for spotting even the slickest phishing attempts. And it's not about being a tech genius, it's about learning to apply a new level of critical thinking. We'll even practice it together with some real-life scenarios.
See, defending against attacks is one half of the battle. The other half is using AI safely ourselves. So we'll teach you these 4 key principles that should guide you every single time you use an AI tool. It's all about getting the benefits without creating new problems.
And don't worry, we're going to get super specific about our company's actual rules of the road. You'll get to know this policy table inside and out, so there are no gray areas. Just clear, simple guidelines on what to do and what not to do. And this right here, this is a message you're going to hear from us over and over. Think of AI as your co-pilot. It's an amazing tool to help you, but this training is designed to sharpen your greatest asset, your own judgment, because your oversight is and always will be our ultimate defense. Okay, for the last piece of this, we're going to pull the camera back a bit and focus on how we all work together. Because security isn't an individual sport. It's about building a collective shield where every single one of us plays a vital part. And this slide is great because it shows exactly where you fit in. We're going to break down these 5 key roles that you'll learn to play. See, you're not just a passive user anymore. You're an active, essential part of our defense strategy, and we'll show you exactly what that looks like. When you boil it all down, it really comes to this one simple, powerful idea. This training is built around the fact that your awareness, your healthy skepticism, and your willingness to raise a flag, that is what truly keeps us safe as a team. So we're going to leave you with this one final thought to chew on. This training isn't the end of the line. It's the starting line. It's going to give you the foundation you need to keep adapting as this incredible technology continues to evolve. We can't wait for you to join us and get started.